David Attenborough's Ocean, A Call to Save Our Planet. At 98 years young, Sir David Attenborough is not just reflecting on his remarkable life, he's sharing a powerful message about the future of our planet. In a heartfelt new documentary set to premiere on May 8, his 99th birthday, Attenborough opens up about his journey and the urgent need to protect our world from destruction. Titled Ocean, with David Attenborough, this film dives deep into the state of our planet's ecosystems, revealing the profound sadness he feels about their current condition. Yet, amidst this concern, he has discovered what he believes to be the Earth's most vital place after nearly a century of exploration, the ocean. As he reminisces about his childhood, he recalls how the sea was once viewed as a wild frontier to conquer for humanity's gain. Now, with wisdom gained from a lifetime of experience, he emphasizes a crucial shift in perspective. When I first saw the sea as a young boy, it was thought of as a vast wilderness to be tamed and mastered for the benefit of humanity. Now, as I approach the end of my life, we know the opposite is true. Attenborough poignantly notes that our planet is in dire straits, and without the hope offered by the ocean, he would struggle to remain optimistic. He passionately states, "If we save the sea, we save our world." After a lifetime of filming our planet, I'm sure nothing is more important. The documentary showcases the incredible discoveries made by scientists and explorers over the past century, shedding light on the alarming health of our oceans and, crucially, how we can restore them. Viewers will journey through the waters of the Americas, Europe, Africa, and Oceania, witnessing firsthand the innovative methods being employed to reverse the damage caused by human activity. From coral reefs to mangroves, coastal communities to marine sanctuaries, the film highlights the urgent need for action. Ocean, with David Attenborough, is the latest installment in a legacy of nature documentaries that have captivated audiences for decades. Attenborough's career, which began in the 1950s with the BBC's Zoo Quest, has brought us iconic series like Life on Earth, Planet Earth, and The Blue Planet, all of which focus on the delicate balance of life on our planet. This new film will be released in cinemas before making its way to National Geographic, Disney+, and Hulu later this year. As we prepare to celebrate Attenborough's incredible contributions to our understanding of nature, let's also take to heart his urgent call to action. The health of our oceans is in our hands.